Freshly sliced and packaged meats are not only the perfect combination of quality and convenience, but are also the top choice for anyone looking for freshness and safety in their meals. Family. The highlight of this machine is its ability to slice evenly and accurately, from vegetables to meat and cheese. Chopping food ingredients is faster and easier than ever, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. By using this nozzle, you can ensure that the brine and seasonings are evenly distributed inside the meat, creating a layer of delicious and rich flavor from the inside. This not only adds flavor, but also keeps the meat tender and seasoned evenly from the inside out. With its powerful and diverse capabilities, this machine not only helps you puree meat quickly and effectively, but can also crush bones easily. The versatility of this grinder allows you to create produce ground meats with fineness or consistency, depending on usage needs. With a 3D cover, the Sliceville 650 slicer not only keeps users safe, but also prevents food from falling and becoming unbalanced while being sliced. This ensures that each slice of food is uniform in size and thickness, giving every dish a professional and appealing look. The extruder uses the principle of screw extrusion to shape the coal. This machine can remove weeds from the fields with high efficiency. Don't mistake it for a rocket, it's just a crude oil distillation column. The braided rescue rope can withstand a force of up to 700 kilograms. The wood sections will be planed thin to prepare for board making.
Shrimp is a nutritious seafood providing protein, vitamins, and essential minerals for the body. Peeled shrimp can be processed into many delicious dishes such as sushi, sashimi, salads, and sliders. Shrimp sashimi is a dish loved by many people because of its fresh and elegant flavor. The quick cooling method is effectively applied to foods such as vegetables, fruits, chopped meat, fish, and poultry. The characteristic of this method is that food will freeze quickly when exposed to low temperatures, helping to retain its structure, flavor, and nutrition. The meat is pureed and smooth, compressed by an air compressor into square blocks. Looking at it, we can imagine the delicious, greasy flavor of the dish made from this unique ingredient. When cooked, the meat brick will melt and blend with other ingredients, creating a colorful and flavorful dish. The electric saw moves vertically like a steel arm, tearing blocks of frozen ribs into different sizes. Just looking at it cutting large pieces of ribs makes me feel like the worker's strength is greatly reduced instead of using a knife to divide them. Starting from the dough kneading stage, the machine will knead the ingredients into a uniform mass. Then the dough is rolled thinly into even sheets. Modern ovens cook tortillas quickly, creating a beautiful golden color and delicious flavor.